heaven, all will be glory in that land. There'll be no sadness, all will be gladness, when we shall join that happy band. No tears up there, no tears in heaven fair, sorrow and pain will all have flown. No tears up there, no tears in heaven fair, no tears in heaven will be known. Glory is waiting up yonder, where we shall spend an endless day. There with our Savior we'll be forever, where no more sorrow can dismay. No tears up there, no tears in heaven fair, sorrow and pain will all have flown. No tears up there, no tears in heaven fair, no tears in heaven will be known. Some morning yonder we'll cease to ponder for things this life has brought to view. All will be clearer, loved ones be dearer, in heaven where all will be made new. No tears up there, no tears in heaven fair, sorrow and pain will all have flown. No tears up there, no tears in heaven fair, no tears in heaven will be known. Howdy folks, and a great big welcome to each and every one of you. Well, this morning I was busy shoveling out the driveway and went around back and I shoveled a lot of snow off the deck. It was minus 33 centigrade, which was around minus 27 Fahrenheit. So I was bundled up really well. I'll show a picture of me that my wife took when I was out there shoveling. At any rate, that song that I just sang is an old gospel song that I learned from this record. Kilby Snow, the master autoharp player. I bought this decades ago, and Kilby sang and played the autoharp, and his brother Jim sang harmony and played the guitar on that great old gospel tune. What I'd like to do now is a little Bible reading that references some of the stuff that Kilby sang about in his song. So for those of you folks who aren't interested in and do not want to hear a Bible reading, now is the time for you to end the video. I'll say adios and see you next time. But for those of you who are hanging on, I'm going to read from an old-time prophet, Isaiah. Isaiah chapter 25, verse 6. On this mountain the Lord Almighty will prepare a feast of rich food for all peoples. On this mountain he will destroy the shroud that enfolds all people, the sheet that covers all nations. He will swallow up death forever. The sovereign Lord will wipe away the tears from all faces. He will remove the disgrace of his people from all the earth. The Lord has spoken. And that day they will say, surely this is our God. We trusted in him, and he saved us. This is the Lord, we trusted in him. Let us rejoice and be glad in his salvation. So, great prophecy from an old time prophet. At any rate, I hope you folks enjoyed the song that I learned from Kilby, and hope you enjoyed the reading too. Now's the time for me to say God bless. We'll see you down the road. And here's that picture that I promised.